I start in my office, the zone A. I walk slowly, portfolio in hand. I hold on to my levy and hug it tight, my passion project. But I have to drop it, I know it. Then I imagine the space, I stretch my arms, measure how tall and wide the levy would be. What will it take? What are the consequences? I move to zone B and drop my levy again. I kneel and touch the soil. I feel its softness, its memory, and its love. I break the stones. As the water rushes, they form silt. I want to push the floods away. I want to protect the land. I reach for the trees, but I can't place them yet. The levee isn't placed. The trees just can't grow yet. I leave this place unresolved. I clutch my portfolio again as I enter zone C, where I sit next to the public. I open my portfolio and flip through the pages to remember what I believed in. I move around pacing, stress rising. Then I open my presentation and try to explain, but all I hear are their voices, their doubts and their questions. I can't answer them yet. I retreat and I pull the blanket.
The second round is meant to embody emotions. So the first zone, I am curious and inquisitive and examine the different elements relevant to the project, such as the plants and levees, and come up with a plan. I am then excited and draw up a plan. However, when I reach the second zone, which is the actual site, I realize that there are new things that I need to consider. Hence, I examine the area and then try out a solution, but it fails as the water is redirected instead. In the face of the failed solutions, I am disappointed. I switched places to sit on the side of the shore to feel what the community may feel like in times where the levee fails. Hence, I understood the anxiety and disappointment when a solution fails. I then try out to work out a new solution and it works. With this excitement, I light up the lamp, showing a potential idea, and move to the third zone, where I happily convey the good outcome to the residents.
I begin in Zone 1, wrapped in a red blanket, my space for reflection. Standing up marks the decision to act. I turn on the first light as an idea sparks. With purpose, I walk to the levee and place it at the center. When water floods another area, I shift the blue pillows to the right. I pause as this was expected. Calmly, I place more levees along the river bank. Once all three are set, the blue pillows return to the river as flooding is under control. With stability restored, I lay the cyan cloth near the levees as it is fertile ground. I then place the plant, which marks the return of life. I turn on the second light, which signals resolution, but one step remains, that's returning the land. The blue chair represents the community, and the red represents me. So I take the cloth and the plant and I sit on the chair to equalize us as a quiet gesture of humility. I place the cloth and plant on the community, returning the land in bloom. Rising with open arms, I offer closure. The final light marks completeness, respect, and a shared hope.